Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. Today we're going to learn a new grammatical rule from Unit 5. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Remember that direct objects are words that receive the action of a verb. Some verbs have direct objects and others do not. If the verb has a direct object, it is what we call transitive. If it doesn't, then it is intransitive. To determine whether a verb has a direct object or not, ask whom or what after it. Some verbs can be both transitive and intransitive. It depends on how the verb is used. Now let's check out these examples. Number 1. He wrote an article. The verb is wrote. Now ask yourself, he wrote what? The answer is going to be an article, which is the direct object. Therefore, wrote is a transitive verb. Example 2. The dog shook his tail. The verb here is shook. Now, ask yourself, the dog shook what? The answer is going to be tail. So tail is a direct object. Therefore, shook is a transitive verb. Let's go to example 3. The baby slept. The verb here is slept. Ask yourself, slept whom or what? Can we apply this question to this sentence? Of course, the answer is no, because there is no word to receive the action of the verb slept. So, there is no direct object. Therefore, slept is what we call an intransitive verb. More examples. James is laughing. Maria is playing. Fiona is singing. Therefore, a sentence with an intransitive verb only consists of a subject and a verb, because there is no word to receive the action. There is no direct object. Thanks for watching.